Hey guys, welcome back to the next session of the site-to-site VPN connectivity. So as you are aware, we are just working on site-to-site connectivity. In the previous two sessions, we have learned like how to create the resource group, VMs, and the Bastion service, virtual network. So, so far, if you haven't seen those videos, I'll suggest please take a look those videos before jumping to this third one. Uh, I'll open my diagram again. In this particular video, we will try to cover this VPN gateway and local network gateway, both the side, and we'll try to establish the connection in between them, right? So let's continue. All right. As we have two resource group, 01 and 02, right? Let's move into 01 first. Let's click on create. Again, VPN gateway. Yep, here we have. Click create. All right. And this will be in Central India. Yeah, here we go. We will keep the SKU, the minimum one. We don't need the firewall one. As you can see, like we have AZ1, these all are firewalls. We have different SKUs to keep the more the limit or bandwidth for this particular gateway. We just for testing purpose, we don't require much. So we keep it this one, generation 2, virtual network, we have the 001 subnets, it's automatically picked, which we have already created. Now we choose the public IP, so let's create it. PIP. All right. And we don't require the active mode, so we will keep it disabled and configure BGP. No, we don't require that. Keyword access is also disabled. Yep, that's it. Click on next tag, plus create, and we will create it. Meanwhile, it's creating. Let's quickly create another one. Jump into resource group 002. Again, click create. Same VPN gateway. Right. So again, choose the name. ECUS2, VPN. Choose the basic one. Which network is the 002 one. It's automatically pick the gateway subnet. Create the public IP. All right, let's create remove plus create and create. Right now, we need to wait for some time. Again, meanwhile, our both the VPN gateways are ready. All right, guys, so we are back. Both the virtual network gateway has been created, as you can see on my screen. Deployment succeeded. Now, here from, we will just quickly verify. So here's the virtual network gateway. We got one public IP for that. right? And let's quickly jump on the another one. Okay, move to your resource group. Oh, it should be here. Yep, here we go. All right, so now what we will do, we will copy public IP of Virtual Network Gateway 1, and we will jump on to the resource group 2, where we have, here we are. Let's create a local network gateway. So local network gateway, as I told you, like, let me open my image again. So this local network gateway, which represents the interface of your network, right? So it tells you like, okay, what different sort of IP you need to connect, what subnet you are going to allow for accessing by the other network. All these sort of interface you have to define in local network gateway. So quickly open local network gateway. You just need to click create in the source group 2, ACUS2, name LNG -Z, unit track, and 001. Public IP, just need to give public IP. Range, that's important thing. Now, our virtual network one is having a range of a VM resource. I'll show you very quickly. So after giving the IP address, we have to give the address subrange. For address subrange, as we have to give the another network subnet range for those VMs which you want to allow. So if you quickly jump on the another virtual network, VNetZ, VNetPrac and 001, you remember we created this VM resource as a subnet where we created our VM. So we will choose this subnet range. We just quickly pick and you can put it over here and you can click on DB plus create. Yep, and create. Now, while it's creating, let's create another local network gateway. This time, we will choose the public IP of our second virtual network gateway. Quickly click on home, jump on the another virtual network gateway, copy the public IP, click on home, our first resource group, create local network gateway, create, this time in Central India, LNG, I guess I have given by mistake the name of my previous is N002. Oh, okay. I did correct thing. All right. So let's give it a public IP. Now IP range of my second virtual network. So quickly jump on that. So you remember I have given another VM resource in virtual network subnet. So here we have 192.168.0.0.29. So let's define here 128.168.0.0/29. Okay, let's click on review plus create. Something is wrong. Okay. All right. And finally create. All right, guys. So we just created two virtual network gateway and two local network gateway. Now, by doing this, we created all sort of resources, whatever required just to create the site-to-site connectivity. Now, here from, we will create the connection between both the virtual network gateway, right? In the next video. For this session, that was the only thing. Thank you so much. Let's meet into the next session. Thank you, guys.